What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about our most recent covered call campaign on USAR, USA Rare Earth. We did get assigned last Friday, and then we jumped into another position today. We'll tell you about that, and then we also want to tell you about our most recent long-term position and the stock that we bought there, guys. So let's go ahead, dive right in. So we did get assigned. We had a $20 strike price. We did get assigned on Friday. We see here on USAR it hit over $20 on Friday. I think it was $20.05 that it closed at on Friday. We had a $20 strike, so 5 cents over, guys. Got executed and assigned. So we pocket appreciation from that campaign, a little short campaign, 4-day campaign, guys. We'll go over details campaign. So we pocket appreciation, then we also pocket the premium. So let's go over to our Discord, guys. You guys can definitely get a part of this Discord if you go to mogufellas.com, get a part of it to get real-time updates when we do these trades, guys. So here it is right here, our Discord. So let's go over this campaign. So we simply alerted the Discord on the 15th of August. This past week we entered the Rare Earth trade in our Mobile Fellows options account. We were intending to try and hold this position for a long time and cover call premiums out of it, but it wasn't meant to be. We entered the position August 11th, and we got assigned yesterday when we were writing this, guys, the 14th. We bought 100 shares of USAR at the 1757. This was right after they announced earnings. It tanked down to 1757, guys. That capital was $1,757 that we put into those 100 shares. Instantly ran a cover call after that purchase. We ran a $20 strike with the expiration being August 14th, 2026, guys. We collected a $41 premium from the buyer of the contract. USAR rallied to over $20 by Friday close, so we were forced to sell our 100 shares at the 20 strike. Because we bought these shares at the 1757 and sold at 20, we made some appreciation on top of the $41 premium. This accounts to $243 appreciation and $41 premium, totaling this short covered call campaign with a profit of $284. This is a 16.16% ROI on this campaign, guys. If we were to total out the profit per day, it would be $71 made each day. Here is what we pretty much prepare when we post these cover call campaigns. It's our second one, guys. Our first one was NVIDIA. You guys are part of the Discord. You could check out that. But this is our second one. We're still, if you're part of the Discord, we're still underwater on our Robinhood, cover call campaign. And so we're waiting until Robinhood gets back up to our average price to continue those cover call contracts. So we're waiting very patiently for Robinhood to come back up. We have a 117 average price on that. I think it's trading in the 90s. So we were fortunate enough to do some contracts in the last couple months, but we've been in that position since January. So this is pretty much our campaign, how we lay it out. Campaign positions: bought the 11th, USAR, 100 shares, 1757, 1,757 capital used. And then we have the contracts. We were only able to do one until it got assigned. That was, premium of $41. So $41 premium collected. Here is the assignment date, the 14th, USAR, 1,057 back. Appreciation, $243 we made from the 1757 purchase price to the $20 strike, what we sold it at. We also made the premium $41. Campaign profit $284, 16.16% ROI. Campaign duration 4 days. So this $284 will go towards more long-term investment goes straight to the mogul pot, guys. That is our cover call campaign and the last campaign that we were in, guys. So what did we do to, make up for this really short campaign? Well, guys, you probably guessed it. We bought again in USAR today, another 100 shares, guys. So here it is. We entered USA Rare Earth again after we got our shares assigned on Friday. We do have a bullish outlook on this company, as rare earth minerals are going to be so important in the future, and it's cheap to run cover call premiums off of. Here is what our buy looks like and the contract we put up for this Friday expiration. So that's what it looks like, guys. Bought USAR again, 100 shares. We did another strike. We bought and then we instantly got into a contract. We bought this guy for, let's see what we bought this guy at. We bought this guy in 1922, guys. So 1922. If we get assigned, we'll make a quick $78 appreciation, and then we also made the $45 premium, guys. So that is our, we want this position. We want to suck as much out of this company as possible. We were very bullish on USA Rare Earth. It is very cheap compared to MP materials. USA Rare Earth is government backed. Trump is wanting or Trump invested America into this company for the long term, government backed. So we trust this rare earth play for a good cover call trade. We are also looking into possibly investing in it long term. So this is the Mogul Fellows options account, which we trade, swing trade, and then we suck premiums, do cover call contracts. So we are looking to possibly do this company for the long term, invest in this company for the long term, as we are very bullish on rare earth minerals moving forward. It's either this or MP materials for the long term play. We're still trying to figure out which one we want to do, but we have also other stuff that we want to invest in also, guys. So we also want to announce, we said in the beginning of this video, we have another announcement of what we bought for the long term, guys. So a little extra spice to this video, guys. So if we go to our Mogul pot holdings, guys, last week we alerted the Discord that we invested in a long-term play, and we are also very bullish on Ondis holdings, guys. Drones, obviously warfare is going to be a big thing, especially with what's going on right now in the Middle East. Drones are going to be a big play. We're already in Archer for the long term, guys, and now we are investing in Ondis holdings, another big drone play. They're partners with Palantir. That's all we really need to say, guys. And they say this might be the next Palantir, but who knows? Obviously, we need to continue to see what happens with this company. But we really like the fundamentals on this company. We really like, the balance sheet, especially. And so another play that we're doing on the long-term account, we bought 100 shares, a little small position. We want to build off this this position to hopefully get it before it really starts running, guys. So we bought this guy at, looks like $9.74, still a cheap buy on Wall Street, guys. So that is pretty much the updates that we want to put in this video. We really we're kind of bummed that our shares got assigned last Friday on USAR, and we just had to jump back in, guys. We had to jump back in on USAR, and we have had to continue this run on rare earth minerals, and we are possibly thinking about doing USAR for the long term, and we would like to get into MP as well if it comes back down for a deal. So that is pretty much what we wanted to share with you guys. We made $284 on USAR last Friday. It did come down. We did snipe it back at $19.22 and then ran another $20 strike for this Friday. If it does get a sign, we'll collect that $78 appreciation, and we will collect the $45 and send it over to MOPA, and then who knows, we might do a cash account put at that point on USAR, or we'll continue to watch it to see if it'll come back down so we can snipe another deal on USAR. But we did the same thing, guys, with Palantir back in the day. We did the wheel strategy on Palantir, sucked a lot of premium out of that, and I think this is another play that we want to do for Mobile Fellows options account, is suck a lot of premium out of USAR. So that's all we want to share, guys. If you guys are not a part of the Discord yet, go over to mobilefellows.com, check out membership option there, go to our Patreon, you'll see the link there, and then you could get the Discord invite there. I think it's $5 a month, guys, right now. Not expensive. You guys get all the live alerts and everything here. You can see all of our channels here. We are active every single day in this Discord, guys. So if you guys want to get in, go ahead. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Till next time, hit the outro.